So I just completed the first step of the inner engineering course, and it started out very well. I followed every bit of instruction that was given. I wake up early. I woke up early and did my usual routine of making the beds and washing up, and then I took a bath. I usually don't take a bath early in the morning, but it was recommended in the process that you should do that before you sit and start the class, the process. So I did that, and the first step was I watched a lot of videos of Sadhguru, and I've watched bits and pieces of what was shared in step one. So I understood those concepts, and that's why I was attracted to Sadhguru's inner engineering course to begin with, because I like his approach, I like his logic, I like what he says, and it means something to me. It has this profound. I have this profound experience of quitting smoking and drinking 2 years back, and it was not only because of him, because I was receptive to new information. I was open to new perspective, and Sadhguru's main point of view on the step one was that he's in Atlanta. This is a recorded session, of course, and he was sort of giving this inner engineering. He's setting the tone for the 4 days program, the offline program in US, and the one important thing that he mentioned, and it is true to any aspect of your life. If you want to change anything, you have to open to new perspective. So that's what he is requesting in his speech, that please be open to new perspective, because if you are, then he is promising that he will give us the way to change, to inner engineer our life, and make it better, and create that distance between who you are and who you think you are. So and it ended with a guided meditation, which I liked, and it's about manifestation, and how you're manifesting your life, how you want to manifest your life, and who do you want to become maybe down the line, and what's your goal, and all that manifestation. I did not see myself clearly while I was sort of in that guided meditation, but all I wanted to achieve, I wanted to be like Sadhguru, I wanted to be like him, I wanted to be like I wanted to have his attitude towards life, how his attitude towards his life, I want to have that same. So how can I do that? It's by, of course, he's my guru. I'm counting him as my guru, and I'll be receptive to his new perspective, and we'll see where it leads me. So again, I will continuously share my views on after each session, so that it is for me as well as for the community. I'm not sure how am I going to use these videos, but I'm trying to create that awareness. It's time for everyone to change the way they're living their life, because it's all psychological process. I mean, if you're leading your life through your intellect, because in again, one important point that I wanted to mention, which is of course very evident, brain has 16 part, and there's just one part is in yoga. Brain has 16 part, and one part is only intellect, and there are 15 other parts that we don't have that access, and we only live our life with our intellect. He's referring this with an example, that if you try to do everything with this little finger versus using all your fingers and both hands and arm, you will not be able to achieve anything, right? You will not be able to achieve the thing that you could have achieved by using both your hands. It's similar to your brain. So you're just using the intellect and not using the other aspects of it. They're the whole creation of life is within you, and it is a fact, because it is the fact. You are eating a mango, you're eating a fruit, and it is becoming you. How the hell it is happening? There is this life energy process that is within you. You have that you have that seed within you that gives birth to a child, and you do all the things, the magical things that you do in this world, and you think these are just regular stuff, but there is this source of life that is within you that you need to access, and not just use your intellect only to lead your life. So again, it's a very powerful lesson, and I'm going to dedicate my effort. And so the most important part is how involved you are within these sessions, because that is what he's requesting. He's referring this as it as a game, and always when you play a game, you want to win the game. It is not that you must win, because that should not be the attitude, or the approach. Or you don't say that I don't want to win. So if you don't want to win, you just should not play the game. And if you must win, you also should not play the game. Your attitude should always be that you want to win, but if you lose, it's okay. That's how he's sort of referring this inner engineering program, and want us to go through it with absolute involvement and dedication. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I'll see how many days I can complete these sessions, and then I've scheduled the Shambhavi Mudra online for next month. It's October. It's almost the end of October, and then it's next month. So again, I'm going to share my review. So thank you. I don't know how to end this, but thank you.